In this week's video, we visit the Wetlands Acadian Cultural Center in Thibodaux, Louisiana, where we enjoyed a bayou boat tour that included a stop at the E.D. White Historic Site. We also visited the Chalmette Battlefield and National Cemetery, where we were treated to a flintlock pistol demonstration. Hope you can join us on this adventure.
With a recommendation by Park Ranger Natasha, we stopped at a local favorite, Gaynell's Daughter Wings and Things, for their lunch special of fried catfish and shrimp stew.
Hello my friends! We're headed to a state park to pay a $3 daily fee, entrance fee per person to take a shower. We'll catch up with you in a bit as soon as we get to the state park.
Thank you.
So we came to the state park in order to take a shower, and this is what they call I think they call it the convenience center. There's a laundromat in the middle, men's bathrooms to the left, women's bathrooms to the right.
There's a little grocery store slash restaurant sandwich place just up the road here. It's been there forever. So we're going to go grab some sandwiches from there and get maybe another muffaletta.
Woohoo! Lunchtime!
Lunchtime.
Yo, Lori. That one.
I really didn't know what to do. I mean, I kind of built myself up. I was going 3 times around. Actually, I was only on my second time there.
opened up our sandwiches and taking the first bites, and all I can tell you is they are amazing. I went with the roast beef.
I went with a shrimp po' boy.
I can't wait to get into this sandwich.
Oh my goodness. Really good. I'm gonna need to leave them a great review. Good eats.
This is a French, what's referred to as a dragoon pistol. It dates from 1731. You would put powder in a ball down the shaft and you would ram it down like this. Now you heard that little ping? That means it's empty. If it didn't do that, I would be not showing it to you, and I'd also be one who's playing with my gun. My name is Jim Cowie, and I'm one of the volunteers here.
Well, thank you so much for that demonstration. Really appreciate it.
Now,
for watching. If you liked our video, please click the thumbs up button. And if you'd like to follow along with our adventures, please click on the subscribe button. We would truly appreciate it. As always, make the most of the dash.